In this video, let's run our month-end profit and loss statement and talk about how to read it. Click on Reports, All Reports, Business Overview, Profit and Loss, and Run. You can change this by month. Let's look at this year to last month. You can change how the columns are displayed. If it's going to show a period, compare it to a prior year, and then you can choose the accounting method and run report. In this report, you're going to see a couple of different sections. The very top is your income section. This shows you all of the revenue that you earned from items that you either sold to customers or services that you provided to them. In your next section, this will be your cost of goods sold. This is if you sell any physical items to your customers, the cost of those items to you will be reflected in cost of goods sold. Your total income, less your cost of goods sold, gives you your gross profit. Items included in cost of goods sold will be anything directly related, such as the cost of the items you sold, the direct labor related to the items, shipping expenses to ship those items to your customers. Any of those could be in here. This next section are your expenses. These are any legitimate business expenses that are not directly related to the item or product that you sold to your customers. This can include things like advertising, computer expenses, contract labor, credit card fees, insurance, legal fees, accounting fees, interest expense, office expenses, payroll, rent, repairs and maintenance, postage, and a host of other options as well. At the end here, you'll see total expenses. Your net operating income is your gross profit less your total expenses. After net operating income, you'll see other items that are also business related, but they are not directly related to any of the products that you sell, and they're not expenses related to those items. Things like that would be interest income if you have an interest-bearing checking or savings account. And then perhaps depreciation expense or maybe state taxes would be down here. The very bottom line here is net income. That is all of your revenue items less all of your expense items. So this is the total profit earned for this period.